Is it started or not? Yeah, recording. That is your hard disk only. Basically, a data and instructions or a program or a software stores in your hard disk only. Right? We are putting in a hard disk, either in a temporary files or maybe in an active files. When you are running any program or an application, the program is convert into ASCII and machine level understandable language by interpreter. Means your operating system or a application related interpreters or a Java runtime environment kind of stuff. What is JRE? Java runtime environment. You want to run a Java program or an application, program is sent to JRE. Okay. After compiling, after compiling only, the final byte code will send to JRE. JRE will normally create a JVM, Java Virtual Machine, and interact with your machine. So many things are there. But I am telling, commonly, any application using help of operating system, it runs. On operating system, there is a certain runtime environment like a .NET framework, JRE, Java runtime environment, Python, .dll, like some environment is there, runtime environment. Using that one, program is runs on your system. When you are running a program, so it will convert into machine understandable language and it will load into your RAM only. And RAM to CPU, it will load. Jay Kumar Dasri. Maybe. Good. It's here only. Okay. So any program you are running, I'm running a paintbrush in an active environment. So the paint application actually in a hard disk, when I open it, the application related information is runs in your RAM only. And when I drawing all these things without saving anything, without saving it, it's not saving, it is untitled. This one is in your temp. In your operating system, this thing information is in temp location. Okay. So once I save it, it will be there in your permanent location hard disk. What I am doing like this painting and all kind of stuff, everything will go to your RAM only. Of course, there is a called a clipboard, clip art, like a clipboard is also there. Like when I want to copy a data, or when I highlight like this, okay, just I see highlighted, or maybe I'm drawing. So the running data stores in your clipboard. K Monisha from 7. People are coming now. Okay, so that is it. Next, I want to tell some 10 points about a service desk. Guys, already I forwarded certain videos for a service desk. I will verify and forward it back to you. So there also you can read about a service desk. In a service desk, about a customers. Okay, what is service desk? Who are the customers? Okay, type of customers. Okay, how they will interact, like that. Everything is explained there. Just better to go once. Okay, better to go once. It will cover very fast. Okay, so here it is. Service desk, importantly, it is a single point of contact. single point of contact. So also it is written in SPOC, single point of contact. Okay, service desk is single point of contact. Recording is started or any message, nothing. Yeah, it is showing. Okay. Single point of contact. So, for example, if guys look at here, customer or user or a client, all these three names are same, but here it is. For example, we use certain names in a certain different manners, but all our names are same only. So you cannot say like a sir, this is a user, why you are calling him as a customer. This is the client, why you are calling as a customer, like that. So don't think like that. Just for our understanding easiness, so we can use so words in a specific manner or a same manner also. So that is the first thing. So here it is. The customer means usually customer. Yeah, I'm going to back to my original explanation. See, is a person who buys a goods or a service from the shop or a business. Who is the customer is generally general statement of customer is like this. Like you went to a shop and purchased a product. You're a customer. You took a internet service. For example, I took an internet service from Geo. I'm the customer of Geo. I took an internet service from ACT. I'm a customer from ACT. I took internet from Airtel. I'm using Airtel services. Then I'm a Airtel customer. I'm using Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. I'm the customer of Microsoft. Okay, like that. So you can be a customer. So if you are buy a goods or using a service from a organization, so that is a customer. All are same, I told. So here it is. Okay. Here I want to tell external customer usually like a public type. Okay. Public customer or you can say external customer. Generally, these
Sir,
people.
you are not audible, sir.
Okay.
The voice is breaking.
It's breaking.
Now
One
it's fine, sir.
second. Maybe the mic related issue.
Yes, sir. I think some mic problem.
Okay, external customer or a public customer. It means you buy a product. I took a internet connection. Um, Airtel, for example. Okay, Airtel. So I'm the internet connection from Airtel. I'm the public customer. From Airtel. I took a internet connection from Airtel. I'm a public customer. I am using Microsoft Windows 10. I'm a customer of Microsoft. Okay. My phone is Samsung. My phone is I'm using Samsung mobile. I'm a Samsung customer. How I become a customer? By purchasing a goods or using a service, internet services, mobile phone, Airtel network connectivity or Vodafone postpaid connection. These are all I'm become a customer. Okay, so here it is. The thing is, guys, try to understand how to tell this kind of stuff is simple.
Sir,
I'm
what is the
trying to avoid
difference
the
between a public customer and a customer?
yes, very good. See, here it is. Okay, so here I'm an outsider of organization. Okay,
Okay.
I took a service. I took a service. I got an issue.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm the customer, but I'm not working in your organization. I'm not an organization. I'm not. Myself. I'm not an organization. I'm a not working in your organization. I'm just a person who using your service. So that is called a public
Okay.
customer. Public customer means any person took a service from your organization. Internet services, mobile services, postpaid services, anything. Okay, Uber services,
Okay, sir.
cab services. You are a customer. That's it. Okay. Next. Next one is if in case. I have to tell one more point, but this is my organization. This is my organization. In my organization, also I have a computers. Okay. Now I went to my Hyderabad office. I need to connect internet to my laptop. So what I have to do? Ask the people. There is a desk called service desk. Actually, point is to tell service desk and customers. Okay, so I didn't tell that one. So actually, I already told for so many classes same thing. I want to change a little bit. Okay, so I have to ask the service desk. So help me how to put the how to connect your Wi-Fi, for example. So if they know, they will do it like directly. If I need a direct any personal assistance or a technical team, so they forward information to a particular technical team. They will fix my issue. Okay, guys, this is my Outlook. Outlook is a mail client. Mail client means through this Outlook I can send a mail and I can read the mail. Normally you are using a mail communication from Gmail like that, right? So, but here it is mail client. So I can send a mail, I can receive a mail, and I store a mail in my local machine. For example, here is a customer unable to access the mails. Here is a customer is unable to access the mails. Very good. So he is the customer unable to access the mail. So what we will do? Approach the service desk. So tell the issue and service desk will give you initial support or maybe raise the ticket to technical team. So they will tell the technical persons like a server engineer, network engineers, okay, system engineers. Okay, so you tell this issue, so they solve the problem. Okay, maybe a person morning came 9 o'clock, tension. So come to the lap is desktop, press the power button, not switching on, showing some error. For example, what to do? Contact a service desk and inform system is not working and service desk people is trying to tell how to fix your issue or send a team to fix the issue. So any issue is occur, to whom you are asking? If any issue is occur, to whom you are asking?
For any issue, we are asking to the service desk.
Service
The
steps.
service desk only, right?
Yeah.
Very
Yes,
good,
sir.
that's the point. Okay, that's the point. And service desk people will communicate or send a appropriate person. Is a server related issue, or it may be a network related issue, or maybe a desktop related issue. So based on that, so they will inform to a proper team and they will solve the issue. Okay, so that is life cycle. Always see user or a customer, whosoever it is, contact service desk. Service desk will send information to a technical team or the concerning team. Technical team is usually technical support desk or IT support, like any name you can put it. System engineers or system administrators. Okay, like that. So they will resolve your issues. This is always okay. Why this is blinking and I don't understand what happened. Okay. Hemant Kumar.
Yes, sir.
Batch 6. Okay. So here it is to understand, guys. I will come back to this the public customer again.
Monica.
Which Monica?
Monica, sir.
Okay. Okay. So I will come back to this point, but tell me, where is these customers are located? This is my organization, for example.
Within the organization.
Within the organization.
Within
only.
the organization.
Users are a customers and service desk people are in a same organization. Both are in a same organization. So this is called a internal customers. This is called a internal customers. Okay. In generally, internal customers, we call them as a users. Okay. We call them as a users. So remember, like a customer means usually like an external person. We call them as a customer. So when it is a internal person, we call them particular user. Okay. So what is the internal customer? User or a customer. So do not get confused, guys. All names are same only. User or a customer and the service desk are in or belongs to same organization. Belongs to same organizations. Internal customers, this means user or a customer and a service desk that belongs to same organization only. So everybody is belongs to same organization only. Okay, that is also a service desk. Next, external customer. I will go to the external customer, not public customer here. Okay, so here it is. I have an organization. Mine is a my organization is there. Okay, mine is a my organization is there. Latif Tech Solutions. Okay, so I have another organization. Anybody will sacrifice their names? Easy name is Pawan. Pawan Tech Solution. Okay, something like maybe they'll develop a website, or maybe they develop some applications, IoT applications like that. So many things are came up. So there is also some company, but they don't have a infrastructure supporting guys. Infrastructure support is means they don't have a servers. They don't have a servers. They don't have a some routers or public IP addresses. These are all infrastructure organization related infrastructure is not there. There are developers or a web developer or a IoT developer or a web database related person. It is some organization, but I am maintaining their infrastructure, or maybe they needed some help to solve their issue. For example, ours is 70s organization. Ours is 70s organization. I'm using Office 365 application. Office 365 application. So where it is account. See, this is Office 365. Microsoft Office 365 we are using. Okay, 70 is to Microsoft. 70 is an organization of Microsoft is organization. HCL, example, HCL is a mainly networking related company. HCL software is also there. HCL other departments also there. But HCL mainly data center management, network related management is there. So HCL usually the clients are banking sectors. For example, you take Axis Bank or maybe a BSNL, sorry, what is it? Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, IDBA Bank, Union Bank, like that. So that is a organization. HCL is a organization. So I am supporting like a Foundtech.com has any issues, contact my service desk and I will support for their issues. So who is this? Foundtech is also a customer, but is external. External means usually the meaning is organizational level. Organization level also called as clients. Okay, client. So who is a client here? Is an external customer. Okay, also we can call him as a client. It is organization. Okay, organization service providing and supporting. Okay, mainly supporting. Service providing. This is the external customer. So that we call it as a client. Okay, client. You this. Okay, I said a public customer. I will tell again. See, look at it. For example, I'm a ISP, internet service provider. Sorry, some organization. For example, actually I have to start with this story, right? So like I'm using internet service from airtel. Now internet is not working. Contact airtel customer care. The customer care will give you initial support. Did you check these settings or not? Like LED is blinking or not? Switch is on or not? Like that. Initial support they will give you. After initial support, they will escalate the issue to the team. The team will try to understand where issues occur. Issue can be a customer premises or can be organization or maybe in between organization to customer. Issue can be anywhere. So try to solve that issue. If required, they go to the customer and solve the problem. So this is life cycle, right? So anything is same. Say any type of customer service desks or teams to solve the problem. Anything is same thing only. First, raise the issue to the organization. Okay, organization people like a service desk people understand, give the initial support, and then if initial support, if problem not solved by initial support, then what to do? Raise the information to the concerning department, forward the information to the concerning department, then it will be sent to a customer. So this is how life cycle. So then problem will be taken care by the concerning department. Once the problem is solved, they'll inform to the again service desk problem is solved. problem is solved. Okay. Now what I'm saying is this person is not an employee of that organization, or himself is not a organization. Is a level is up to a separate or a single user type only. So obviously is a external customer but a public customer. Who is internal customer? The person or a user or a customer working in the same organization as the technical support is there. Okay, as same organization, both are same organization people. Okay, who is a client or a external customers is another organizations. We are providing a certain service to these organizations, and we are supporting based on the what service we are providing. Guys, look at here. I am providing a service to tech solutions, but I need a certain services from other organization. For example, we'll take a internet service from other organization. I need a computers, so I will buy a computers from different organization. I need a cables, networking cables, server related infrastructures. Okay, so CC cameras, ACs. So what are the things for my organization? I'll buy the goods from outside only, right? And I'll took a support from different organization, and as well as I am providing a service to different organization. It means myself client to the a particular organizations, and I myself I am a provider to a certain organizations also. That is a our IT business. Always is like on alone, you cannot do anything. You have to take the services from some organization. You have to provide a service to organizations. Okay. Guys, understand IT business. What is the IT business? IT business or any business is simply to understand, provide a service to the customers. Provide. Providing service. So no. Better writing here. Okay. So service to customer. Provide a service to the customer. One second. Okay. So that is the main aim of our IT business. So what are the services? So different type of services. Internet service is one of the thing. Maybe application service, software service, testing services, computer hardware services, networking component services. Okay, database services, websites, web applications. These are all different type of services. Always check the any company you are joining or like that. Better to know what services provided by that company. For example, ours is Savantis. Savantis is not a institute, right? So what the services we are providing? Just go through that one. We are providing SAP related solutions. See, business solution, staffing solutions, industry solutions, like that. And those who are clients, like that, you have to compulsory verify an organization. Managed services support, industry solutions, mobility, staffing solutions. Okay, so this is it. About your customers, and I didn't finish my service desk. So I will finish that one. So no problem. Don't worry. Next, customers. So what is services? Simple. Single point of contact. Single point of contact is a service desk. Okay. Bala Surya Prakash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the next thing? Here, listen carefully. Guys, this is my whole organization. For example, this is my whole organization. In this organization, the infrastructure is there. So understand basic infrastructure. Understand the infrastructure of organization. Infrastructure is enough. So why we type so many names and wasting time? So different organization like a servers, physical servers. Server means not only just a physical server. Physical servers, physical data centers, servers are data centers. Okay. Networking devices. Like last time only I will do like that. So last time, so we don't, I mix everything into one thing only. So like that I will explain. So what are the networking devices? Like a hub, switches, router. So switches are used for a LAN communication. Okay, it is easy like a LAN communication. Routers usually for internet purpose. Okay, or WAN communication purpose. Hub is also for LAN communication, but small or very small. Okay. So next is a modem. Modem is also for internet purpose only, connecting to ISP service provider. ISP means internet service provider. It covers so many words. Okay, so that's why I'm telling. So okay, routers. Routers shows best path selection, shows path to how to reach destination. Okay, how to reach destination path will be shown by routers only. Okay, the switches are to connect devices. Devices means nothing but a computers, PC, laptop, like that. Printers, network related printers, like devices. LAN. Okay, so that is a very simple. I'm not going more details. What is a WLAN? Anybody?
Wireless.
Wireless LAN. Okay, wireless LAN. Very good. Okay, like this. These are the devices. Next is a different type of cables we use in a networking. Coaxial cables we are not using nowadays. Coaxial cables we are not using, but just I'm typing. Still, some countries, some places still may be using coaxial cable in some departments, but generally we are not using that one. We are using TP cables, twisted pair cable. In that one, two types are there. So UTP and STP. So UTP means unshielded twisted pair cable. Shielded twisted pair cables. Okay. So what is this twisted pair cables? In generally, it is a 8 wires are there. 8 wires are there. It's a 4 pair cable. Also called as 4 pair cable. It's also called as 4 cable. And we can use connection connecting with the RJ45 socket and plug. So that is the thing. So different colors are there, but so that's we will see that twisted pair cable. Next one is fiber optical cable. Fiber optical cable. What is a fiber optical cable? So it made up of glass. It is high speed data transmission. High speed data transmission. Long distance communication. No electromagnetic interference. Okay, so no attenuation. No electromagnetic interference, no attenuation, no crosstalk. You know, lot of people still think we are getting internet from satellites. Actually, we are getting internet from fiber optical cables only, global fiber optical cables. Okay, so go to the Google, then type like this. Like this. So you'll see the pictures. These pictures are nothing but our fiber optical cables are connecting one continent to another continent, one country to another country, like that. See Australia, India, okay, South America, North America, South Africa, European countries, like this. This is for India. Only one connection they are showing for sample, but actually there are a lot of connections are like this. Through coastal only. Okay, so these are the main cable structures in a networking devices, cables, physical one, and you have to maintain IP addresses like that. The physical servers also, you have a tower servers, blade servers, rack servers. Simple, you want to know how it is look like? Simply put it in a picture. Rack servers, how it is look like. Data center is common one. Storage devices. Type of storage devices. So like this, look at like a normal hard disk. Hard disk. Actually, IDE type of hard disk we are using. This also called as ATA. Advanced technology. Attachment. Okay. So in this one, two type of disk are there. SATA, PATA type of disk. PATA means parallel, ATA, serial, ATA. Okay, parallel ATA having a 40 pin data pin connector. This is 7 pin data connector. SATA specifically faster than PATA. Faster than PATA. Okay, faster than PATA means what we have to check: read and write speed is better than PATA. Next, there is a SATA 3 version. SATA 3 version is there. 6 Gbps. Gbps speed. Which one? SATA 3 version. Next type of disk is storage device, secondary storage, SSD type, solid state drive. Okay, lot of people nowadays purchasing laptops with the SSDs in it. Better not to buy like that, guys. Compulsory follow this formula. You want SSD? Follow like this. 240 or 250 GB SSD plus 1 or 2 terabytes of normal hard disk, because SSDs are suitable for operating system, okay, suitable for operating system. And next, when application, not for regular data, like you want to store a music files, video files, normal documents, don't store in a SSDs. Recently, I got a complaints from our previous my CTS batch people. So when I said create a virtual machine like that, so sir, no space in that one. Why no space? Sir, it is hard disk is SSD. Yeah, how much it is? 240 GB. So then no space available, because for operating system you have to give the space, application data, no space in it. Okay, so always take a things like that. SSD plus HDD for storing data, and OS you can store it. Then it will be balanced. Otherwise, take only SSD part. i5 processor, 1 terabyte hard disk, or 2 terabyte of hard disk, good one. i3 processor, 1 terabyte of hard disk, good one. Okay, i5, i7 processor, 1 terabyte of SSD. Okay, that is your wish. Your crorepati, take it. Depends upon your money. Okay. Next, and there is a mainly two versions of SSDs are there, guys. Guys, in this one, I am trying to cover certain points, means most common points. So if you got this any of the question, so then you can able to give a certain answer. Okay, so that's why I usually, if last time I found this one, when I'm trying to tell infrastructure part, I'm covering both hardware, networking, the devices, names, kind of stuff. That's why I'm telling. Okay. Actually, I want to continue this one. I'm jump to this one. So what I will do, I will continue this infrastructure part only. Okay. SSD, solid state drive. So here it is, two type of connectors. Here also we'll get a two type. Okay, data connectors wise. So here it is. First one is your SSD SATA. SSD memory is not a. So you have to tell the some more details. Sorry. Okay. No, again, faster than regular SATA hard disk. That is important. Next, no loose parts. So you can take any place. Lightweight. Lightweight. You like so like if you take a desktop hard disk, it's a 3.5 inches. It's a weighs little bit like a half kilo, like that it will weigh. But it is SSD. Even you take 1 terabyte of SSD, very light only. Okay, no loose parts. So if you keep it in your pocket, or you order in online, there is a one thing is, if you are ordering normal hard disk through online, there is no guarantee your hard disk will be safely, you will get it on, because they put in a box, and if they throw randomly, then it is may damage. Next one is SSDs. It is nothing like internally no parts, nothing is there, only circuit board is there. Okay. This is also called as a NAND memory. Exactly say it is NV type. What is NV? Non-volatile memory type. Okay, it is based on the chip setup. Okay, so SSDs are SATA NAND. So our currently available one is 3 version only. So another one is SSD NAND type only. All our SSDs are NAND type only, but NV ME M.2. Guys, if you want to buy a SSD for your laptop or desktop, now you want to put a new SSD, don't buy this one. Okay, very less difference between SATA to SATA NAND. Okay, SATA normal hard disk to SSD SATA. Not a much difference. Okay, if you want, you can go for it. If you want to, you can go for it. This is faster than SATA 3. This is faster than this one. Okay. How much faster? To know it, I want to buy SSD. SSD M.2. This is look like this one. So I'm opening something like a Western Digital. See, it is look like this one. NVMe SSD. So it is read and write speed is like this. Okay. If in case this is a purely SATA base, the interfaces are like a SATA interface only. This is a SATA interface one. Okay. Speed. See, that's the difference between this and that one. Okay, so that is about your SSD. SSDs are for storing operating system application, not suitable for storing a regular data or huge data because of SSD is a costlier. SSD is a costlier. It does not mean you don't store your data. It is not like that. It is a costly is high. Okay. Next, better always if you are buying a laptop or a desktop, you can buy hard disk type or a SSD plus hard disk type. Nowadays, people are need a faster. Okay, so then you can buy combination. Next, guys, storage types also there. Okay, storage types. DAS, as, SAN, direct, attached storage, network, attached storage, storage, area, okay, NAS and SAN, SAN or centralized storage. Centralized storage types. These are storage types only. Okay. Of course, there is a lot of details are there. So it is around 4:30. So guys, take 10 to 15 minutes break. 15 minutes break. So 4:45. Okay. Before 4:45. Okay. So we'll continue this part only. We'll continue this part. Okay. It will covers all the details of infrastructure, every point. Okay. Compare like what is VPN, everything we will go once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I will usually I'll send every day, right? So you can check it.